welcome back. Today is day 2 of my quarantine daily upload thing. So, what we're gonna do today, probably, I don't know if it'll happen today. If not, then I'll figure something else out. But, I'm gonna try to make another splitter. If you don't know what happened to my splitter, well, it kind of got messed up. So, yeah, we're gonna try to fix that today. Randy's gonna come over and we're gonna go to Home Depot, buy some plywood, and you know, just trace it out, make sure I got smooth, even. See, that's my main concern about making my own splitter. It's not cutting all this stuff out like this and now that. It's this, bro. This is my main concern because I want this thing to be straight as possible. So I don't know, bro. I don't want it to look dumb and weird and all that stuff, but yeah. Now let's address my last video because this is awesome. This is the perfect opportunity for people to unsubscribe. Oh my, bro, you guys don't understand how bad I want people to unsubscribe from my channel. And I know you guys are probably thinking, yo Zosh, why would you want that, bro? That sounds stupid. No, because I would rather have 20,000 subscribers that are just the most purest people than having 200,000 people that can't allow me to. I made a comedy skit video and people was like, this is so corny, this is so cringy. Like, who? You're not funny. Who are you, bro? Like, stick to cars. Like, bro, I've been doing this comedy stuff way before cars. That's what people don't understand. But the OGs know. I'm just saying, like, this is the perfect opportunity for me to, like, just use my creativeness and just create a bunch of stuff to weave out, like, the F-boys. I don't want to curse because, you know, YouTube got this thing where you can't curse. But, man, them BBs, as in bitch boys, this is the best time to weave out the bitch boys by creating content that's gonna just make them mad. All these freaking car purists. So funny, so funny.
Been dead. What's up, kitty? What's up, kitty? What's up, kitty? Yeah, what's up? See, this dog's better than the damn ugly ass dog you had before.
You going right to hell.
I know.
All right. Got the splitter all loaded up. Now we're going to Randy's house and then we're gonna forward to Home Depot, pick up this Ryobi jigsaw. And from the jigsaw, we're gonna get plywood. Fred watching, so I forgot the correct word for it. You can't say wood if you're Jamaican. So we're gonna go pick up some Plymouth, whatever I don't know what Fred said. But that's what we're up to right now, baby. Yeah, quarantine day 2 vibes. I want to make a skit, dog, but this will suffice. Tonight at 8 p.m. I will be going live with Import Alliance. I hope you guys will be watching. The way I do these quarantine videos is I film the day I upload. So by the time this video goes uploaded, I already did the live. So yeah, that's just how I do it, baby. That's just how I do it. I should put my seatbelt on, but yeah, but that's all. Yeah, buddy. So I'm picking up this bad boy right here for the 50 bones plus tax. I like 60. Now I gotta find that wood, bro. Randy, where that wood at, whoa? Fred house.
Yo, Mayo, move up with the fisherman talking.
That's too thin, bro. That's thin. Randy, bro. That's gonna break.
That shit gonna break. This one's not behind.
I need that thickness, dog. I need that thickness, bruh. I want my shit breaking off on me, bruh. Come on, Nav, get it together, bruh. Okay, so we're gonna have to come back in the truck because it ain't gonna fit in the RSX. So that's what we're doing.
Flame on the island.
Hopping out the big body, you know the vibes. Hopping out the big body, you know the vibes. You ruined it, bruh. I couldn't find. All right, got the wood that we need.
Lava.
I can drive the boat. Free Kodak.
The flame on the island.
All right, so here we have our fresh piece of plywood, baby. And we're gonna get this thing even as possible. Probably do something like this. Have it where like I got more up top. Randy's smart. It's Friday. Randy home from work. How you got 5 on your day off? How you get 5 on your day off?
I got 5, period.
It's alright, bro. I'm gonna hire you. Zosh MFG.
All right, check us out, baby. So, me and Randy mocked up the splitter.
Pretty much Randy did, so if it come out bad, I'm blaming Randy. You know me.
I ain't cutting it though.
Oh, I'm gonna cut it.
You would want to use protective eyewear, but we ain't got, so. Damn.
I ain't gonna know how to follow the line, bro. Follow the line, bro.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce.
God dang. What a beast. Hey Randy, bro, how much you charging to make splitters now, bro?
Cause I ain't got no job. Shit, a couple hundred.
Couple hundred?
Nah, what you think?
I think about like 600. You Randy built, bro. You famous.
That shit gonna look like trash.
Nah, bro, you got, bro. That's at least $1,000 paint job. I mean, construction job, bro. I say charging them minimum 300, bro.
That's it? Just like that?
Just like that, bro. They gotta come pick it up just like that.
Damn, come pick it up too?
Yep.
Shit, why not? Nigga, I ain't got no job.
Alright. That's what it is, whoa. That's what it is, bro.
Now we gotta go to my crib, pick up sand, sanding disc with my orbital sander. We're gonna sand down the thing to make it nice and neat. Then go by Advance, pick up the 3M undercoating paint. Shout out to Vasile Garage for putting me on to that, so I can have that thing looking nice, baby. And yeah, that's what we got cooking up right now for this quarantine video, dog. All right, so back at Randy's house. Went to Advance Auto, got this right here. This is what Vasily told me to use. So I got that, went by the crib, got my orbital sander with unknown, I don't know what grit this is, but oh well, test it anyway. And all I gotta do, just sand the splitter down.
Just got little imperfections, but we're not using this side anyway. We're gonna use the back side. So, yeah, we'll see, but whatever. I'm not using that side anyway. But then I gotta take out all this stuff and then just put it on that, and that's it. Paint it, then that's it, bruh. Oh, I felt the raindrop. I feel raindrops. God damn it. Well, looks like my splitter idea for today is gonna be postponed because it's about to rain like a mug. You feel the raindrops? Damn, bruh. This ain't good, bruh. It's not good at all. Gotta love Florida. Stop raining. Now it's just standing. But that's hella uneven, bruh. All the hardware is removed. Mock this bad boy up. And now the process of drilling is done. Nah, man. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Let me get that f-stop to be a little low. There we go. So yeah.
Ready?
Oh my god, bro. I'm nervous.
You sure that's the spot?
Yeah, but just send it, bro.
You sure?
Just send it, bro. What are you doing?
These three.
All right,
main
all
ones.
right. Hey, bro, I think you messed up, bro. Hey, bro, relax. Relax, bro. I don't have any more. Relax. Relax, Randy. Randy, relax. Yeah, I'm doing this. Man, bro, that's a good drill you got, bro. Where you get that from?
Man, it's for sale.
It's for sale?
Yeah.
Said you lost your job? Offer up, bro. I got you.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, my was. We just put them all back on. All right. Thunderstorming outside like usual. But my splitter is done, boy. Boy, Randy a beast. Boy said, I got fired. And I said, time to do my splitter. See, bro, you still essential, bro. No matter what they say to you, bro, you still essential. All right.
I need a job.
Hey, Randy need a job. I would say I need a job too, but I don't. I'm essential to nobody. Gotta love that Florida, bruh. Got to love Florida, dog. Gotta love Florida. So stupid. But splitter's all done, mocked up. I got all the stuff on. Like, I'm pretty sure I showed you guys all that. But just gotta wait till it be sunny outside so I can paint it. And that's it. Put it back on the car. Splitter's back. Car is back to normal. Besides waiting on my eye cluster. But yep, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this quarantine day 2 video. I got a live to do in like an hour, and then me and Randy just ordered some food. So that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And to all the 50 people that disliked my last video, it's gonna get worse than that. I'm gonna have so much fun getting rid of all you. I ain't gonna say it. Gotta get monetized here. Gotta be smart. But so I forgot to tell you guys how much all this stuff cost. So my grand total for all this stuff was $94. It was under 100 bucks. I got me a brand new splitter, and I made it myself with Randy. But you know what I mean. I know. Y'all saw me cutting and messing up, so technically I did it too. So yeah, you can make your own splitter for under 100 bucks, and yeah, you don't have to spend $200 and $300 for all that stuff. So yeah, yeah, man. Shout out to all the people that did enjoy like the little comedy thing. Don't worry, I got more on the way. We'll see what happens in tomorrow's video. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I'm out.